Hey everybody, this is Alex Brooks, founder of Entreprov.com. First of all, I want to start out by saying Happy New Year. 2019 is here, and we are kicking 2019 off with our first meetup, our first pop-up workshop that's focused on customer loyalty. This one is called Breaking Down Customer Loyalty in Retail. So if you are a small business owner, or big business owner, definitely come by. We're going to be at the Set Boutique, which is a really cool clothing boutique shop in the Lower Capitol Hill area. It will be on January 17th from 5:30 to 7, and the spaces is limited. We're only going to allow up to about 15 to 16 people there. So definitely, if you are interested, go ahead, reserve a spot as soon as you get a chance. That way you'll be able to get in. But some of the benefits that you're going to be able to walk away with by attending this event is being able to collaborate with, having the opportunity to gain new contacts in either your industry or a similar industry. You're going to be able to meet people and companies that you could potentially collaborate with. You're also going to walk away with some new strategy on how can you get your customers more engaged. The past few months, we've connected with over 70 companies in the retail space. So we've gathered a lot of data, a lot of insight on how to really get your customers more engaged, get them more involved. So again, that's going to be January 17th of this month. We're only allowing 15 business owners. So if you are interested, reserve your spot as soon as you get a chance. It starts at 5:30, and I hope to see you guys there. So have a great week.